Kids, welcome back. Today we are doing lesson number 21 in uhhibu arabiyyah, which is fil maktaba, which is in the library. We are doing lesson number 21 and this is fil maktaba. Fil maktaba is the library. So here we are having some conversations. So in the first one we can see the boy is asking the man, Bikam hadha daftar, which means how much is this notebook? Uridu sab'a dafatir. He's saying, I want 7 notebooks wa khamsatin aqlam humur and 5 red pens. So the man is telling bi riyalain. So it is for 2 riyals. So the daftar is for 2 riyals. But to the babies, which means a box of pens was zujajata hibar aswad and a bottle of black ink. Mimhatun wa ashrata dhuruf. Mibratun, which means sharpener, wa mimhatun means eraser, and ashra 10 dhuruf envelopes. The next picture, the girl is saying uridu. So the man is asking, Kam daftaran turidin. How many notebooks do you want? So the girl is saying uridu sabata dafatir. So I want 7 notebooks. So the girl is asking, Bikam hadha qalam al-ahmar. How much is the red pen? So the man is saying, Bi riyal, it's 1 riyal. Babis was zujajatan hibar asfad. So she also wants a box of pins and the black ink pot. Mibratun wa mimhatun wa ashrata dhuruf. So she's saying mibratun, which means sharpener, and eraser, and 10 envelopes. Ishtaraita ma ya Muhammad. What did you buy, O Muhammad? Wa anti ya Amal. And you, O Amal. So they are replying, Sabat dafatir wa khamsat aqlam. So Sabah means 7 notebooks and 5 pens. And Muhammad is replying, Sabat dafatir wa khamsatin aqlam. So 7 notebooks and 5 pens. 1. Amal turidu adwatin min al-maktaba. So Amal wants some stationery from the library. Wa Muhammad yuridu adwatun min al-maktaba. And Muhammad wants some stationery from the library. The third one, Kataba Muhammadun al-adwat fi waraqa. So Muhammad wrote, Kataba is to write, Muhammad wrote the stationery list in the paper. وكتبت Amal al-adwat fi waraqa. So Amal katabat, she wrote. So because feminine, katabat, and because it's a masculine, kataba. So Amal wrote the stationery in the paper. Fifth one, dakhala Muhammadun wa Amal al-maktaba. So dakhala means to enter. So Muhammad and Amal entered the library. Sixth one, وجلس الأب في السيارة. Jalasa means to sit, Abu is father. So the father sat in the car. The seventh one, Ishtari Muhammadun sab'atin dafatir wa khamsatin aqlam. So Muhammad bought. Ishtari is to buy. So Muhammad bought, the past tense. Muhammad bought 7 notebooks and 5 pens. The eighth one, wa akhadat Amal sab'a dafatir wa khamsatin aqlam. So akhadat is she took. Amal took 7 notebooks and 5 pens. Ishtari Muhammadun ulbatu dababis wa zujajatun hibar. So Muhammad bought the box of pens and the ink bottle. 10th, wa akhadat Amal ulbatu dababis wa zujajatun hibar. So akhadat, so Amal took a box of pens and a bottle of ink. Zujatul Hibar means an ink bottle. The 11th one, Ishtari Muhammadun Mibratun wa Mimhatun. Ishtari is bought. Muhammad bought a sharpener, Mibratun, and Mimhatun is an eraser. 12th one, wa akhadat Amalu Mibratun wa Mimhatun. So Amal took a sharpener and a eraser. 13th, Ishtari Muhammadun Ashratun Dhuruf. So Muhammad bought 10 10 envelopes. The 14th one, وأخذت أمل 10 ظروف. Amal bought 10 envelopes. And we have the last sentence, 15th one, ضحك الأب وضحك محمد وضحكت أمل. So ضحك means to laugh. So the father laughed, Muhammad laughed, and Amal laughed. So because it's feminine, ضحكت. But the masculine will say ضحك. We have vocabulary of the lesson. So the first picture here is sayyarah, sayyarah, which means car. Dafatir, dafatir, which means notebooks. Aqlam, aqlam means pens. Dabboos, dabboos means one safety pin. The vocabulary in your next page. The first one, sayyarah, sayyarah, which means a car. Dafatir, dafatir, which means notebooks. Aqlam, aqlam, which means pens. Dabboos, dabboos, which means a pin. And the babis is pins, plural of dabboos. And dharf is one envelope or an envelope. And dhuruf means envelopes, plural. Mibratun, mibratun means a sharpener. Mimhatun, mimhatun means an eraser. Ulba, ulba, which means a box. Zujajatun hibr, zujajatun hibr means ink pot. And adawat, adawat means stationaries. Qalamun ahmar, a red pencil. Qalamun azraq, blue pencil. Then we have sayyaratun hamra, a red car. Sayyaratun zarqa, blue car. And maktaba, maktaba, it is a place where you can bay'i al-kitab. It is a place where you buy the books. And uridu, kam means how many, and uridu means I want. So the first one is already done for you. Kam qalaman turid, how many pencils or pens do you want? Uridu thalathata aqlam, I want 3 pencils or pens. So the next picture is, we have to say, Kam daftaran turid, how many notebooks do you want? And you will reply, Uridu arba'atan dafatir, I want 4 notebooks. The third one, Kam dharfan turid, how many envelopes do you want? And you will say, Uridu khamsata dhuruf, Uridu khamsata dhuruf. The fourth one, Kam tabakan turid, so how many plates do you want? And we can count here, we have 6 plates. So we have to say, Uridu sittata atbaq, I want 6 plates. Then in the fifth picture, Kam sikin turid, how many knives do you want? So Uridu sab'ata sakakin, I want 7 knives. And Kam dabboos turid, how many pins do you want? Uridu Samania dababis, I want 8 pins. We have, we're going to learn about becomes, how much, for how much. Become means how much. So then you have to reply B. B means it is, like it is. Okay, so the first one is become il aqlam, how much is this pen? B riyal, it is 1 riyal. So the next one, become zujajat al hibr, how much, for how much is the ink pot? And the number is given here, so we have to, this number is 5. So we have to say bi khamsata riyalat, it is for 5 riyals. The third one, become ulbatun dababis, for how much is the box of pins? So bi arba'atan riyalat, it is 4 riyals. The fourth one, become al-kurasatul tadribat, so for how much is this worksheets, the homework worksheets? So you have to say the numbers given here, it is 7. Bisabatin riyalat, it is 7 riyals. Become become al-mimhat. How much is the eraser? So B, ثلاثة ريالات. It is 3 riyals. And the last one, become al-dhuruf. How much is the envelopes? We have the number here, 6. بستة ريالات. Understood this lesson? Please like, subscribe for more such videos.